What if you could immerse yourself in a cinematic experience from the comfort of your own home, with sound that envelopes you from every direction, making you feel as though you are right in the midst of the action unfolding on your screen? This is precisely the promise of the Samsung HWQ990F 1.1.4 channel Q series soundbar with subwoofer and rear speakers, a certified refurbished unit that boasts like new performance, backed by a 90-day warranty for your peace of mind. For years, home entertainment enthusiasts have faced a common dilemma: the struggle to achieve high-quality, immersive sound without the clutter and complexity of a traditional home theater system. Many have resorted to using their TV's built-in speakers, only to be disappointed by the lackluster audio that fails to do justice to their favorite movies and shows. Others have invested in soundbars, but often find themselves underwhelmed by the lack of depth and dimensionality in the sound. This gap in the market has left consumers yearning for a solution that can deliver a truly cinematic experience without the hassle and expense of a full-fledged home theater setup. Upon unboxing the Samsung HWQ990F, it becomes immediately apparent that this soundbar system is something special. The premium build quality and sleek design exude a sense of sophistication and luxury, making it a stunning addition to any home entertainment setup. The first time you power it on and are enveloped by the rich, detailed sound, you can't help but feel a sense of excitement and anticipation. The system's aesthetic appeal is matched only by its ease of use, with an intuitive interface that makes it simple to navigate and customize your listening experience. Delving deeper into the features of the Samsung HWQ990F, it becomes clear that this soundbar system is a game changer. One of its most significant benefits is its support for Dolby Atmos and DTS-X, which enables it to produce a truly immersive, three-dimensional sound field. This means that you can enjoy your favorite movies and shows with sound that seems to come from all directions, drawing you into the action like never before. Another major advantage is the system's 1.1.4 channel configuration, which provides an unprecedented level of detail and nuance in the sound. With a dedicated subwoofer and rear speakers, the HWQ990F is capable of producing deep, rumbling bass and crisp, clear highs, making it ideal for everything from blockbuster movies to live music concerts. The Samsung HWQ990F also boasts advanced wireless connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, making it easy to stream your favorite music and podcasts directly to the soundbar. This feature is especially useful for those who enjoy listening to music or podcasts while working out, cooking, or simply relaxing at home. Furthermore, the system's support for Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant means that you can control it with ease using just your voice, adding a new level of convenience and flexibility to your listening experience. Additionally, the HWQ990F features a cutting-edge Q Symphony technology, which synchronizes the soundbar speakers with your TV speakers to create a more immersive and cohesive sound field. This technology is a significant advancement in soundbar design, as it eliminates the need for a separate receiver and creates a more streamlined and efficient audio system. In real-world testing, the Samsung HWQ990F proved to be a powerhouse of performance, handling even the most demanding audio content with ease. During a marathon viewing session of a favorite TV show, the system delivered consistent, high-quality sound that never faltered or distorted, even at high volumes. The subwoofer provided deep, rumbling bass that added depth and excitement to every scene, while the rear speakers created a sense of immersion and envelopment that made it feel as though we were right in the midst of the action. In terms of specific performance metrics, the HWQ990F delivered impressive results. with a signal-to-noise ratio of 110 decibels and a frequency response range of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. These metrics demonstrate the system's ability to produce clear, detailed sound with minimal distortion, making it ideal for a wide range of audio applications. As with any product, there are pros and cons to consider. On the plus side, the Samsung HWQ990F offers unparalleled sound quality, with a level of detail and nuance that is unmatched by other soundbars on the market. Its sleek, premium design makes it a stunning addition to any home entertainment setup, and its ease of use means that you can start enjoying your favorite movies and shows right away. One minor con is that the system can be a bit pricey, especially for those on a budget. However, considering the level of performance and features that the HWQ990F offers, it is well worth the investment for anyone serious about home entertainment. In comparison to other soundbars on the market, the Samsung HWQ990F stands head and shoulders above the competition. Its advanced features, premium build quality, and unparalleled sound quality make it the perfect choice for anyone looking to elevate their home entertainment experience. While other soundbars may offer similar features, they often fall short in terms of performance and overall value. The HWQ990F, on the other hand, delivers a truly cinematic experience that is unmatched by other soundbars in its class. In conclusion, the Samsung HWQ990F 1.1.4 channel Q series soundbar with subwoofer and rear speakers is a must-have for anyone serious about home entertainment.